Good night. En el módulo 1 voy a presentar el refuerzo de mi actividad. My name is Sandra Yolanda Gómez Cristancho. Acá está el cuadro donde el profesor me indica que haga oraciones con respecto a los lugares. Primero es cinema. Empecemos. You must see what film in cinema is real good. You must know. Call me I for I feel I will be I live. You do not have to go to cinema if you know what. You should see what mobile or see good. You are to leave hoy cinema room key. En library presento mis siguientes oraciones. You must study in our library public. You must not drive our book a our library. You do not avoid noise in our library. You should read a book in our library. You are to leave our book in good condition in our library. En British Council, estas son mis oraciones. You must study all British Council. You must not repeat at study in all British Council. You do not have right to sue it or appoint training or for British Council. You should Katie or British Council. You are to fulfill our rules at British Council. Supermarket. Estas son mis oraciones. You must go to supermarket to buy oil milk. You must not buy much lemon on oil supermarket. You do not add or buy pasta, meat and wine for tonight dinner. You should buy peaches, apples, and strawberries at our supermarket. You are to buy food for our lunch. Thank you.